Hey guys, Pete from London Camera Exchange. Bridge cameras have been on the market for quite a while now, giving photographers a compact system with a wide angle lens all the way into a nice telephoto. Nikon have recently announced their P1000 with 125 times optical zoom. We're down in Southampton at the docks to take a quick look around as we only have the P1000 for a short time. So let's see what the image results can produce. With an equivalent zoom range of 24 to 3000mm, this 16 megapixel back illuminated ultra zoom bridge camera certainly hits the spots for many wildlife and distant subject shooters. Being able to focus down to 1cm in macro mode, and with a dynamic fine zoom digitally extending it to 600mm, you really feel like you have a jack of all trades. Fast autofocus, which is quick and precise, along with up to 7 frames per second continuous shooting, helps capture your subject's action. A seriously impressive dual detect optical stabilisation system pushes the limits of the P1000, allowing you to shoot up to 5 shutter stops slower and also use that max focal length and still capture sharp, clear images. A welcomed deep grip and weighing just 1.4 kilos all help to make the P1000 portable and easy to carry around. With easy to navigate dials and buttons, along with a well developed layout, makes operation straightforward and simple. One of the 2 zoom function buttons located on the side of the lens is comfortable to use, while keeping the camera steady in your hands. Nikon have provided you with different built-in modes to aid your photography. Moon mode optimises the camera's settings to capture clear images throughout the moon's phases. Unfortunately, the 2 nights I had the P1000 for, there was solid cloud across the whole sky, stopping me from testing this out. Along with this, we have bird mode, which allows you to center your autofocus point and then just click the OK button, while the P1000 zooms straight away to your chosen location. Capable of capturing 4K footage up to 30p or Full HD video up to 60, the P1000 houses in-camera movie functions like superlapse. This lets you create fast motion sequences of a changing landscape. Nikon have also included a built-in microphone jack and the addition of clean out HDMI, allowing users to pair the P1000 with an external recorder for better video capture, making this camera very appealing not just for stills photographers. For anyone travelling and wondering what setup to take with them, the P1000 may just cover all the grounds you need. Everything from wide angle to an enormous telephoto, RAW capture, 4K internal movie recording, Wi-Fi for easy transfers, a bright EVF and tilt and twist LCD screen with an impressive stabilisation, and all weighing in at just 1.4 kilograms, it's well worth checking out. For any more information, click on the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.